Just arrived in Seattle and my friend Emily picked me up. If you've been watching my channel for a few years, then you would recognize Emily because she visited me when I lived in London. So now I'm visiting her in Seattle and she's just gonna, we're gonna go to her house right now to drop off my stuff and then we're gonna go eat dinner. Good morning. It's about 7:30 a.m. on the 4th of July. Morning. Happy 4th of July. And Emily and I are just starting a hike. It's the, what hike is it?
Rattlesnake Ledge.
Yes. It's apparently a very popular one. And you said it's like 4 miles round trip? Right? Yeah. So 4 miles round trip. And yeah, it's really nice today. Yay. All the green. Emily with her professional hiking boots, and I just have my running shoes. I'm coming! Made it to the top, and look at this beautiful view of the clouds.
Normally you would see gorgeous green mountains and a lake. And it'd be really nice and sunny.
So just imagine that. We're finished with our hike now, and we came down to the lake, which is what we saw from up there actually. That is the little summit we were at. Wish I could go swimming.
Okay.
Not right now. Oh, it's actually not that cold. Yeah. Just ate lunch, so full. Oh my gosh, we waited
An hour.
I think a little over an hour, but it was worth it. It was so good. We got one of each pasta, and now we're gonna go to my friend's apartment, and we're gonna do like a little 4th of July barbecue there. Happy 4th of July! Happy 4th of July!
Beyonce, if you're watching this. Hi.
green tea.
This is not sponsored.
To do this
FTC. This wasn't sponsored.
tonight, it would be LQD. When I'm thirsty, I drink LQD.
the water.
Christina, you're too much. You have too much energy.
Alright, on our way back now. Oh my god. What is this? We already came up a whole thing of stairs back there.
Yeah.
But this one's twice as long. Okay.
There's like 10 partitions. Sterkrammers, get the glutes in.
Okay, we did it.
But
I thought we were done. But
there's like 5,000 more.
oh my god.
Arm swing.
One more. Last one. Okay. We can do it. We did it.
Holy snazzles.
Snazzles.
Snazzle mazzle.
Holy snazzles. My butt.
We ate a lot yesterday though.
Yeah. Yes, we did.
Work it off.
Whew. We are on our way.
On the road again.
Chilling on a dirt road. Montpellier.
Carrie Underwood.
No Carrie Underwood. Please.
We're starting our road trip to go to Mount Rainier.
We're gonna stop in Ashford, and then I don't know what's happening after that.
Me neither. Sean knows though. Sean is our tour guide and driver.
I'm the native white person.
Native white person. No, you're Taiwanese.
You're right. This forest is younger because all of this, I guess, got mud flowed. And so these are all younger. These are all 50-year-old trees.
Aww,
50.
Little baby tree. It's been a heavy flow.
I was waiting for someone to say that, like you did.
You guys say trees. Trees.
It's getting cold in here, so put on all your clothes. I'm getting so cold, I wanna put my clothes on.
A little cold, cold, a little bit of cold, cold.
Welcome to my crib. My name's Here Saturdays. I'm gonna go upstairs.
upstairs and show you the suite where the magic happens. Here are 2 denim jackets because I am a minimalist and I do Marie Kondo, and you know, we just have what kchoi. Here is the bed. And green's obviously my favorite color because it emulates what is going on out there. So I am doing this for symbolism. And here is, here's the big reveal. Hello!
I didn't know there was a toilet.
And here is where I keep a napkin. And now if you look at our bottom socks right here, we have coordinated with my friend Christina.
Whoa.
Sorry. Am I in the shot?
Let's go prep.
Prep.
Preppity prep.
Prep the shit out of the prep.
My job
Is to drink.
is to feed it to me. Oops.
We had some chicken. We had some chicken on National Fried Chicken Day.
What kind of creepy are the trees? Back on the road. Christine! Oh my god! We're doing a jog. We're on this little loop thing. It's so pretty.